Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today I'm diving into a little kitchen staple that packs a mighty punch, baking soda. This humble ingredient is not just for baking. It has a multitude of uses that can benefit your health and home in surprising ways. You won't believe the powerful health and home benefits hiding in just one scoop of this stuff. From cleaning to personal care, baking soda is a versatile powerhouse. So stick around and let's get right into it. You might just discover a new favorite use for this common household item. First off, let's talk about heartburn relief. If you've ever experienced that burning sensation in your chest, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It can neutralize stomach acid and provide quick relief. Just mix a teaspoon into a glass of water and you might just feel that burn ease away. It's a simple and effective remedy, but remember, always consult your doctor first. It's important to make sure it's safe for you to use. Next up, baking soda can help with body odor. We all want to stay fresh, right? Yep, you heard me right. Baking soda can neutralize odors and keep you smelling great. A pinch of baking soda under your arms can neutralize odors and keep you fresh. It's a natural and cost-effective alternative to commercial deodorants. Plus, it's free from the chemicals found in many store-bought options. Ever heard of using baking soda for bug bites? Those itchy, irritating bites can be a real nuisance. Just make a paste with a little water and apply it to the bite. This simple mixture can provide relief. This can help reduce itching and irritation. It's a quick and easy solution you can make at home. For my fitness fans out there, baking soda can improve your workout performance. Yes, you heard that right. Some athletes use it to combat fatigue and enhance endurance. It can help buffer lactic acid buildup in muscles. Again, consult a healthcare professional before trying this. It's always best to get personalized advice. Got some tough stains on your clothes? Baking soda can come to the rescue. Sprinkle some baking soda on the stain before washing. It acts as a mild abrasive and can help lift the stain. This can help lift the stain and leave your clothes looking cleaner. How about teeth whitening? Everyone loves a bright smile. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can help polish your teeth and remove surface stain. It's a natural way to enhance your smile. Just mix it with a bit of toothpaste and brush gently. You'll notice a difference in no time, but don't overdo it. You don't want to damage your enamel. Moderation is key. Here's a cool one. Baking soda can help you deal with fridge odors. No one likes a smelly fridge. Place an open box in your fridge and it'll absorb all those unpleasant smells. It's a simple and effective solution. Speaking of odors, you can also use baking soda to freshen up your carpets. Carpets can trap all sorts of smells. Sprinkle it on, let it sit for a bit, and then vacuum it up. Your carpet will smell much better. It's an easy way to keep your home smelling fresh. If you love gardening, you'll love this tip. Baking soda can be a gardener's best friend. Baking soda can sweeten your tomatoes. It helps reduce soil acidity, which can enhance the flavor of your tomatoes. Sprinkle a little around your tomato plants to reduce soil acidity and make those tomatoes taste sweeter. Pet owners, listen up. Baking soda can help neutralize pet odors. Pets are wonderful, but they can sometimes bring unwanted smells. Sprinkle it on your pet's bed or on your carpet where they hang out and then vacuum it up. It's a simple way to keep your home smelling fresh. And last but not least, baking soda can soothe sunburn. Sunburns can be painful and uncomfortable. Add half a cup to your bath water and soak for a while. It can help reduce the sting and redness, providing much needed relief. It's a soothing and natural remedy. I hope you found these tips helpful. Baking soda is truly a versatile and powerful ingredient. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay tuned for more great content.